Today, the sun peeked through the curtains, tickling the noses of our sleepy little heroes. With giggles and squeals, they bounced out of bed, ready for a big adventure. Helmets, check. Elbow pads, check. Adorable determination, double check. Our little adventurers were gearing up for their big day out. Little hands grabbed tiny water bottles and snacks. Safety first, but snacks are important too. Off to the park they zoomed, little legs pumping as fast as they could go. At last, they reached their destination, the park. A world of adventure awaited our tiny cyclists. Everything was new and exciting. Slides to climb, flowers to sniff, and even a pond to peek into. Now came the real challenge, mastering their wheels. It wasn't easy, but our little heroes were determined. The park was a wonderland of green grass and winding paths, perfect for little bikers. But wait, what's this? Little Timmy seems a bit wobbly on his bike. His wheels wobbled left, then right. Oh no, watch out for that bush! Timmy tumbled into the soft leaves, emerging with a twig on his helmet. Oopsie. His friends noticed too. Don't worry, Timmy, they seemed to say with their big, encouraging smiles. They gathered around, showing Timmy how to balance. What good friends! Over tiny ramps they went. Wee, up, and away. Well, maybe just a little up. Some babies zoomed like pros, while others... Well, let's just say the grass got a few baby-shaped hugs. Timmy watched, his lower lip quivering. But his friends weren't about to leave him behind. With gentle pushes and lots of cheering, Timmy's wheels started to turn. Slowly at first, then faster and faster. Look at Timmy go. He was wobbly, sure, but he was moving. Go, Timmy, go! And just like that, Timmy was riding with his friends, his smile as bright as the sun above. Just then, their blue-skinned baby neighbors arrived, ready to join the fun. The park was now filled with giggles, in every shade from rosy pink to sky blue. Now everyone was zooming and looping, laughing and playing together. They raced around trees, splashed through puddles, and even had a picnic break. Timmy shared his cookies with his new blue friends. Sharing is caring, even for babies. As the afternoon wore on, the babies found a big, grassy hill, perfect for one last ride. Down they went. Whee! Faster and faster, with big smiles and bigger laughs. At the bottom, they all came together in one big, giggly pile. What a day. As the sun began to set, our tired but happy babies headed home. Their little legs were tired, but their hearts were full of joy and new friendships. They learned that with a little help from our friends, we can do anything. And that it doesn't matter if your skin is pink or blue. Fun is fun, no matter who. And that's the end of today's baby adventure. Sweet dreams, little ones.